Hi, so this is Richter, and my memoir pitch is called The First Night of 1,000. So my topic is about a super special night that happened during my 8th grade trip. So this night happened during the end of my 8th grade year trip, and basically I was just out with my friends having a great time, and it was super late and we were just living the life and having a really great time. It took place in Warsaw, Poland, and it was during 2018 and I was only 14 years old. That night I was with my longtime best friend who I'd known since 4th grade. We've been best friends. And we were staying with host families while we were in Poland, and so the two girls that her and I were staying with, they were there as well as some of their friends. And why? Well, our school, told the host families, let us have as much fun as possible, and this night definitely was a lot of fun. So the significance of this night, before this night and before the trip, I was only in 8th grade, so I hadn't really experienced a lot of independence like this before. It was really the first night that I was alone in this, huge city, just doing what I want to do, and, going to eat where I want to eat, and shop where I want to shop, and just hang out where I want to hang out. And this concept is so normal now that I'm an adult, but 8th grade year, this was really my first exposure, especially in a foreign country, with people who I knew, but I didn't know that well, and it was just felt so surreal. And I was always kind of afraid of going off into the new world. The school I went to was very small, and my high school that I was going to go to was very big, so I was kind of nervous to go into that. But being able to, get out of my comfort zone that night and, experience something so new really inspired me to not be afraid and to actually be excited. So my theme with this story is being independent, exploring outside one's comfort zone, and appreciating the world around us. So my use of multimedia, for my memoir, I will use lots of photos, videos, obviously text, and definitely audio. Thank you.